Have you ever uploaded a video you thought was amazing, but it barely got any views? You're not alone. The truth is, making great content isn't enough. If nobody can find it, it won't grow. This is where SEO comes in. In today's video, I'll show you how YouTube SEO works and how to optimize your videos so they actually get seen. I'll break it down into simple steps that you can apply immediately to boost your rankings, get more views, and grow your channel. Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTubers Hub, where we crack the code about the YouTube algorithm. If you don't know me, my name is Sammy, and I'm the brain behind this channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're not, thanks for returning. Now, what is SEO, and why does it matter on YouTube? SEO, which is the acronym for Search Engine Optimization, is the process of optimizing your videos so they rank higher in search results and get recommended to more viewers. Think of your channel as a bookstore, filled with disorganized books, which are your videos. They're scattered everywhere, with no labels or sections. Customers, your viewers, walk in, get confused, and leave. That's exactly what happens when your videos aren't optimized. The YouTube algorithm can't figure out where to place them, so they get lost. That's why SEO matters. It helps YouTube understand what your video is about and who should watch it. Alright, now that you've understood what SEO is all about, let's look at how to properly position our videos and channel to align with YouTube SEO. To do this, we need to use what I like to call the SEO techniques. These are simply steps and tools that will help us achieve our goal. Technique number 1. Keyword research. This simply means finding the right topics. Before you even hit record, you need to do keyword research. Why? Because if people aren't searching for your topic, your video won't get views. Now, there are different ways to this. You can use YouTube search, start typing a topic, and YouTube will auto-suggest popular searches. These are real things people are searching for. If this doesn't suit your taste, you can also use free tools like TubeBuddy, VidiQ. These tools can show you which keywords have high search volume but low competition. Now, if these options don't add up to you, you can check your competitors, see what's working for bigger YouTubers in your niche. If a video is performing well, it means there's an audience for that topic. For example, if you're making a video about YouTube growth, a highly competitive keyword, you might refine it to how to grow a YouTube channel as a beginner. This is less competitive and more specific. The key is to target keywords that have demand but aren't impossible to rank for. Technique number 2. Optimizing your title, description, and tags. Your title, description, and tags tell YouTube what your video is about. If they aren't optimized, you're missing out on free views. Here's how to write the perfect video title. 1. Include your main keyword naturally, e.g., YouTube SEO, how to rank number 1 on YouTube in 2025. 2. Make it compelling, e.g., the secret to ranking number 1 on YouTube, nobody talks about this. 3. Use numbers or power words, e.g., 5 YouTube SEO hacks you must know. Now, you will agree with me that these titles are all top-notch and give the algorithm the right information on what the video is about. Now this is for optimizing titles alone. Let's look at how to do the same for our video's description. So, to write an optimized description, you need to follow these simple but effective steps. 1. Include your keyword in the first 2 sentences. 2. Give a short summary of the video. 3. Add timestamps, if necessary, to help viewers navigate. But hey, if you're doing timestamps, do it manually. Don't use the automatic timestamps that YouTube provides. The reason is that the AI in charge of that feature tends to misbehave at times, and trust me, you don't want to mess up your video because of that. 4. Include links to your social media, website, or other related videos. Now, what about tags? Use relevant tags that describe your video, e.g., YouTube SEO, rank on YouTube, how to grow on YouTube, etc. Tags aren't as powerful as they used to be, but they still help YouTube understand your content. Technique number 3. This is what I love to call leveraging the secret of watch time and audience retention. Even if you have the best SEO, your video won't rank if people click off too fast. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes watch time, meaning if people watch your video longer, YouTube will recommend it more. So, here's how to improve your watch time. 1. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. 2. Use pattern interrupts, e.g., visuals, text pop-ups, engaging edits. 3. Deliver value fast, don't waste time on long intros. 4. Use storytelling, make your content relatable. Here's an example of how to hook your audience quickly, without wasting time on long intros. If your YouTube videos aren't getting views, you might be missing one crucial step. Let me show you why SEO can change your channel's success forever. See the difference? You hook the viewer immediately. Technique number 4. Track your results and improve. This is by far the best way to achieve your success on YouTube. If you're not analyzing your YouTube analytics, you're shooting in the dark. Here are some key metrics to track in your YouTube studio. 1. Click-through rate, CTR, how many people click your video after seeing it. 2. Watch time, how long are people staying on your video. 3. Traffic sources, where are your views coming from? If your CTR is low, improve your thumbnails and titles. If watch time is low, improve your content structure and engagement. So there you have it. That's how YouTube SEO works and how you can use it to rank higher, get more views, and grow your channel. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment on which SEO tip you'll be using first. And don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies. I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating, keep growing.